Hello my friends, this is a quick one. I had to update my batch video upscaling workflow, the one that uses upscaling by model and combines it with the simple upscaling then, and thought I share a few words with you. The background is, over the time, a ComfyUI installation gets convoluted and is throwing more and more errors in the console. Some nodes may even quit working. ComfyUI is king of deprecation and making old nodes dysfunctional. The best way to deal with it is from time to time to start over with a fresh ComfyUI version and to reinstall the custom nodes and models one by one. This also frees you from not longer used models and nodes, and there is plenty. My main installation has grown to over 800 gigs again, time to clean up. Which leads us back to the batch video upscaling workflow. As you can see, this node in the workflow here doesn't load anymore. Deprecated. These ones might still work here, but I don't even bother to install it. I have simplified the workflow meanwhile. But this node here is the core. This cannot be simply removed, so I found a substitute. It is now ComfyUI main node, and we can be sure this node here will not be deprecated very soon. As you can see here, I have also simplified things. I upscale simply by factor 2, as I do with the upscale model. So these nodes here are not longer needed. The way it works is still the same. You define a defaulter somewhere. I have made me one at Windows, C, input, and here I have put in my videos. And then you set the number of runs to the number of videos and click Run. Make sure to remove the JSON file here before you do the next one, or change the ID. This here is for each apple, and we can of course also choose a banana or car or cat. But cleanest method is simply remove it, then you can run everything again. And that was it already for this time. As told, a very short video, a heads up that the workflow has changed and is updated now, and a little reminder to clean up and reinstall ComfyUI from time to time. Have fun!